This is a video to help practice with Old Macdonald, the harmony part on page 46. I'm going to set my metronome to the same beat as we practice the melody part. So here we go. Let's count 2 bars before we begin. So violin is up. I'm on my G string, 2nd finger B. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 2 and 2 and. So as you're practicing this, please remember what's going to make this piece very musical is to follow the accent marks, right? You have these accent marks on the 16th notes and have it on the cluster of the 16 notes right here. That's going to give it the characteristic and the style that this American folk song deserves to play it in the spirit. So have fun practicing Old Macdonald, and we will play this as an ensemble in class.